Hello, crafty friends. I wanted to share a quick project with you. I've been talking about my garden party creations that I've been doing, and I am doing some trivias and games and bingo and stuff like that for my party that I'm hosting. And I created some prizes, and a part of those prizes are these sweet little notebooks. I made this on my cinch. I cut it out. I used a pink binding on this one, and I used this floral scrapbook paper behind it, and then I used a white fabric over the top to kind of soften it up a little bit so it wasn't just bright scrapbook paper. And then I used this pretty velvet pink ribbon and this bow and popped a little pearl in the middle, and then I wire wrapped these beads here, trying to keep with the colors that I'm using, this precious little leaf and flower. And on the back, this is what the scrapbook paper looks like when the fabric's not over it. And I thought it turned out super cute. So that's one. And then I created this one. This one has the white spiral here at the top. And then I wire wrapped these beads here, these pretty little beads that match them. And then I added the flower and the leaf on these as well. I thought this one was pretty because it matched. I tried to wire wrap accordingly to match the scrapbook paper that I was using. And it's the same paper on the back. And then for this one, I used the yellow spiral, and then I use this fabric here. This is fabric, it's not paper, and these sweet little birds. I just love this fabric. I think it's so pretty. And I wire wrapped these beads here. This is a glass bead and a little silver bead with a little gold topper. And then I added the gold topper because the charm that I was using, the little flower charm, is gold, so I wanted to tie in the gold with the silver. Although I really don't like mixing metals, I had to get creative here because my little flower was gold. So I thought that turned out cute. And these three little guys are going to go in a little prize package that I will share later. I'm working on the packaging and the other things that I'm going to include into the prizes for these games that I will share at a later time. But I hope that you're all having a really blessed week. Bye-bye.